Uh, I've decided to evaluate Panava Junior's narrative assignment part one. Let's see. Um, let's just take a minute to just go through the photos really quickly. Um, um, I mean, I see some creative photos here, but a few of them tell a story. I mean, maybe let's see. Oh, I don't know. This has a very like okay, like right here, obviously, just from observing this picture, dude is clearly doing homework. Um, let's see what else. They all have hoodies on. Notice that. Um, don't really understand what the story is, like, or what's being told. There's a couple of people here drinking. Let's see. Maybe we can go back to this photo. Maybe this tells me something. Uh, I don't know. Person laying on the couch taking a nap. This tells you that the person's very tired. Not necessarily a story, but I'm not sure if the whoever took these photos really understood what the project was. Um, I guess he's the center of attention in this picture. Um, I guess he sees himself as like superior. I'm not sure. Let's see. Um, I don't know. There's a couple of these photos that I believe are weak. Actually, a little more than a couple because I don't really see a story being told in any of these. I don't know. A dude standing next to an exit sign really doesn't say anything or portray a story in any way. These seem more random than like I don't know. Um, I guess things that the artist can possibly do to improve all the images is, I guess, do a better job of telling a story, have a better background, have the person in the picture, um, I don't know, have something meaningful within the picture that tells a story. Maybe this picture possibly says, like, this dude is working hard um, on his homework with his hoodie on because clearly he wants to be anonymous. Um, in addition to that, I'm trying to find my favorite. I don't. Ooh. I guess this one kind of tells a story. I would say this is my favorite one. It kind of shows that it's very mysterious, especially with like the lighting being used. Kind of it's purplish, almost like a purple beam coming from the laptop screen. Um, um, I guess this stands out best out of all the photos because this actually like tells a story in some way. Um, I don't know. I guess something that the artist could enhance or like improve like his images is like just have a better surrounding, include meaningful things within the image so that it can tell a story. And yeah, that is all.